For example, in my experience now that I am working with this NGO, it's totally different from teaching. So yeah, definitely managing, for instance, as we mentioned before, but also creativity. In that NGO, I have been talking about emotional intelligence. And this combination, of teaching and now another topic like how can I transmit about emotional intelligence through a computer, because the conferences sometimes are online. Sometimes other instructors have told me like, oh, you're very creative. Your course or your conference is divided like step by step, and then you have a result. And this is part of the teaching area. So I think this is a skill as a teaching part or as a teacher. And then when you're moving or transitioning to another skill or another area of your life, another kind of work, it makes it faster and easier for you.